Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tuesday and I love unboxing fashion with all of you. Today I have another Fashom box. I'm so excited to get into this one because this one comes after my very in-depth chat with my stylist whose name is Kristen, and I just know that she's picked out some really great things for me. If you want to see what's in this box, stay tuned. Okay, first things first is this beautiful skirt. I will say it has a great fabric to it. It's very lightweight. It feels cool just touching it. Like I can feel the air blowing through it, and I'm in love. It's a long skirt and it has some pleating in it. Yes, this is definitely something that will have to be ironed or steamed. There will be no way around that, but it is a maxi skirt. Let me see if there's any other fun details here like pockets. I don't think so. Yeah, that's it. All right, so that's the first item. This kimono is the next item here, and just for some reference as to what's kind of in this box, I asked Kristen for items that had a campfire weekend vibe. So this is what she sent me, this beautiful kimono here with the embroidery around the hems, and it's like looks like a 3/4 length. And has a 3/4 length sleeve as well. Okay, so that's piece number 2. Number 3 is this tank top, and it has it's a knit tank top. I'll come up close so you guys can see it. Yeah, a loose knit weaves. I absolutely love. You can wear it over a tank top or wear it with a nude bra underneath. I think this is going to be a great piece as long as it fits. Okay, next up is a jumpsuit. I love this so much. It has a faux wrap front, belted waist, and it is long pants. And then the final piece that's in this box is a cute little mini dress. Again, with the embroidery on it. I feel like this would be perfect for a road trip because it is very, kind of loose fitting, short, fun. Throw it on with some flip-flops or some rope sandals or something like that, and you're ready to kind of hit the road. I love that. All right, so those are all 5 pieces that are in my box. If you guys are ready, I'm ready to do a try-on. Let's do it. Okay, let me tell you what I love about it. I love this neckline here. I just think it is so sassy, and I don't know, it's just giving me all the vibes. I love it. This wrap is fairly open, although the belt keeps it kind of tucked tight, but a little safety pin in here would tack this down and you would never see it because of the lapels here on the collar. Okay, I love this color. I love that it has pockets. This material, although it might be a little hard to see in the camera, but when you're wearing it, it almost looks like a kind of a velvet feel. Okay, you guys, this is a much cuter little mini dress than I thought it would be. First of all, I thought, oh my gosh, it's going to be too short and I'm going to hate it, but it feels very playful actually. And I love the embroidery on it. I just do. I think this is a great dress for just kind of hanging it out around the house. Or like I said, if I was hitting the road, I would definitely put this on with a pair of little sandals and zoom away. So this is the dress. It's got these cute little tassels on it, which you can tie up at the top if you'd like. And then I'll show you the back. That's that. I like this. It's kind of cute. It's kind of fun. It's something different. So this is the dress. Let me throw on this kimono really quick because I have it here. Alrighty. Fun. And then you're probably like, okay, denim on denim, you're not helping me see here, but I'll come in close so that you can see that it hits right at the elbow and the fun detail on it. I love it. I'm so comfortable in it. I feel good. I feel like myself. I love it. And it's just, this kimono is like this very, it's like a chambray type fabric, so it's very lightweight. And I'll turn around so you can see the back. Yeah, I love this. Kristen, if you're watching. Nice. All right, this skirt is really flowy, lightweight. I'll flip a little so you can see where it hits. It comes all the way to the floor. I mean, like I said, theoretically, I love the skirt. I love the color on it. I love the flowiness of it. I love the material. Let's talk about this top, which I kind of did a little half tuck into the skirt. I love it. I think it is everything that I thought it would be. Lightweight, loose weave. It's not hot at all. I'll show you guys the back. That's the back of the top. Here's the back of the skirt. So that is everything in the box. If you guys give me a second to go back in my street clothes, we'll do a recap. All right, you guys, I'm back for the recap. All right, let's take a look at what everything costs. Let's start with the the Adi Irati embroidery dress, and that is this one here. Regular price is $45. And so just so you guys know, if you keep, with Fashom, if you keep three or four items, you save 25% off your purchase. If you keep all 5 items, you save 30% off your purchase. So there's that. And of course, I'll have a link below if you guys want to try Fashom to get a little savings. Okay. Next up is the Jilly jersey knit jumpsuit. And earlier when I said it looked like velvet, that wasn't what I meant. What I meant was suede. It looks like faux suede from when you just kind of put it on and look at it. And again, it's not suede. It just has that feeling of suede. It is $48, which I think is a great price. This is a great piece if you're into jumpsuits at all whatsoever. I really love this. I just don't think I would reach for it. Next up is the Griffin Paris woven skirt, and it's $45. And then I have the Skies Are Blue embroidery denim kimono, and I actually really love this, and so this might be a keeper as well. It is $40. Okay, and then finally is this staccato V-neck knit tank, the one with the loose weave that I was telling you guys about. I just think this is such a great transition piece. I think it'll be great all year round. It's $37. Okay, so that is everything in the box. If I kept everything at full price, it would be $215. All I have to do is keep, if I kept 3 pieces, for instance, if I kept the dress, the kimono, and the tank top, that would make it around $30, $60, a little over $90 plus tax. And if I kept all 5 pieces, it would be $150.50. So that's everything in the box. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, that's everything. Until the next time, you know what to do. Live with love. Bye!